Good morning, my dear children. In the last class, I have taken the grammar, that is a tree for all, verbs, past tense, ed and ied words I have taken, and also I told you that F, page number 49, F, circle the doing words in this poem, and I read that poem for you, but doing words you should have to round it in your textbook itself. One more time I am repeating that. That is page number 49, F, circle the doing words in this poem. That is I can tie my shoelaces. Tie is a doing word, that is already put the round there in your textbook. Next sentence, I can brush my hair. Brush, put round on the brush there. Next, I can wash my face and hands. Put round on wash there. Next, I dry myself with care. Put round on dry there. Next, I can clean my teeth, and that is in that line clean, put round on the clean there. Next, fasten up my frogs. So, fasten, put a round on the fasten there. Next, I can dress all by myself. Put round on dress there. And pull up both my socks. Put round on doing word, that is a pull there. Okay. Then comes write the yesterday words for any 4 words you have circled. So, you have already circled here in the textbook, that is a tie, brush, wash, dry, clean, fasten, dress, pull. That is doing words. Then what you should have to do is 1, 2, 3 and 4 there. You put that ed form. Tie, that is tied. Brush, brushed. Then third one, wash, washed. Fourth one, dry, dried. Put ed form for that. Okay. Then comes that I have taken it for you, that is a G. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the brackets. I told it. Then next is check your understanding, page number 50. I explained it to you. So one more time I am explaining it for you. That is sun looks like a ball. Match the pictures with the name of the shapes. That is you are given the pictures there and the shapes there. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle. So in that mountain, that is in the triangle, that you put the 1 number, then in the circle 2, then 4, then 3, like that you can put the numbers there in your textbook. Okay, you put the number there, that is easy way you can do it, no problem for that. Next is project is draw or paste a picture of a bird. So any bird you like, you can take one sheet of paper and you can do it in that leisure time when you are having at home. That paste a picture of a bird and they take the that is take one that is a worksheet, that is a chart sheet, white paper, and you can paste one picture of a bird there and find out where it lives, what color are its eggs, what does it eat. So if you are pasting in the picture of a parakeet or parrot, then what is the color of that parrot, what the color of the beak it is having, like that you can write. Okay. Then next is C, project. In the project C, take a sheet of chart paper, draw or paste pictures on it to show how plant grows. So how a plant grow, that is take help from these clues. You are given the clues there that you can do. If you are interested, you can do it. Okay, no problem if you are not doing that. Next is activity. Write a few sentences about your friend. That is all of you having friends. So you can write what all things that is you are very much like to write about your friend, that you can write that inside your notebook. What do you like about her or him? Example, you can write like this. This is my friend, as in she can play guitar, she can play the guitar, she plays with me, like that. What all things you can write about your friend, you can write. Okay. Next, share your writing with the other friends, that you can't share it because you are in sitting in home, so you can't do that. Next is what will you do if some child troubles or tease you? You may tick more than one choice. If that what will you do if Some child troubles or tease you, what will you do? What you will do? You may tick more than one choice. You at that time what you will do, in the classroom you are sitting, what you will do? Tell your teacher? Yeah, of course you will tell teacher that Susan is irritating me, like that you will tell, no? Yeah. Next, second one, do nothing about it. Somebody, let her do what she like that, in the way you will sit? Yeah. No, I don't think so. Next, third one, tell your parents. If you are at home, your brother and sister are doing some mischief at home, then at that time you will tell your parents. No, yeah. Start fighting. I think somebody will start fighting, do fighting, like that. No. So what you think is the right, you can put the tick mark there. Okay. Next is a revision worksheet. Is page number 51. I am going to read that paragraph. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. Radha and Mala went to the zoo. They went with their parents and two cousins. They saw lions and zebras. They saw parakeets and mynas. They saw chimpanzees and monkeys. They had fun looking at all the animals. Have you been to a zoo? Yeah. So first question, it is where did Radha and Mala go? Where did Radha and Mala go? That is there in the textbook. The answer is Radha and Mala went to the zoo. Yeah. Second question, who did they go with? They went with the parents and two cousins. Yeah. Third question, what did they see? They saw parakeets and mynas. Yeah. Next is a fourth question. Write the sentence that shows that they enjoyed going to the zoo. So in that paragraph, that is how they enjoyed going to the zoo, it is written there. What is it? They had fun looking at all the animals. That is the answer of the fourth one. Next is fifth one. That is give a title to the paragraph. So that paragraph is given to you in the textbook. You should have to give the title for that. What is the title you will give? Yeah, fun at the zoo. Yeah. Next is B. Circle the word in each set that does not rhyme with the other words. Does not rhyme with the other words. That you should have to circle it. Okay. Yeah. First one I will read it for you. That is a cat, hair, cat, the. So does not rhyming word, that is does not match it. What is that? Circle the word in each set that does not rhyme with the other words. So cat is that is yeah, cat. What is it? Cat. Next is second one, were, cut, hut, nut. Does not rhyme with the words were, W-E-R-A. Yeah. Third one, frill, alike, thrill, sill. What is it? Alike. Circle alike the. Fourth one, hand, still, sand, band. Yeah. So which one you will circle it? Still, S-T-I-L-L. Yeah. Fifth one, end, bend, great, trend. So which word you will circle? Great, G-R-E-A-T. Yeah. Next is C. Add words from the box to the words in bold and complete the sentences. So that in the box you are given I will read it for you. First one, did you hear the bell? Did you hear the door dash? Did you hear the door bell? So when you are writing the question, in the end you should have to put the question mark there. Don't forget to do that. So did you hear the door bell? Yeah. Second one, mummy changed the bed sheet. That is in the choices are given there in the box. You should have to take from that and put the right one to in the gap portion there. Okay. Yeah. Second one is mummy changed the bed sheet. Third one, there were many bees in the bee hive. Yeah. In the end you should have to put the full stop there. Next is the fourth one, there were fresh flowers in the flower pot. Fifth one, which toothbrush do you see? Brush. Okay. Yeah. Next is D. D is rearrange the words to make sentences. Use capital letters and full stops. So when you are writing, you should have to use the capital letters and full stop. Wherever it is necessary, you should have to put it. That is the first one. That is in the shuffled way the sentences, you should have to put it in the right way. Okay. Yeah, the first one I will read it for you. Going out to play Sarah is. That is the first sentence. So how can you write in the proper way? Yeah. Sarah is going out to play. Yeah. Second one, cannot find her ribbon she. So how can you write in the proper way? She cannot find her ribbon. Yeah. Third one, bird a little took it away. So how can you write it in the proper way? A little bird took it away. Yeah. Fifth one, Sarah nest. No, fourth one. Sarah nest sew the ribbon in a. Sarah sew the ribbon in a nest. That is, I am saying to you in the proper way. It is in the shuffle way, and I am what I am saying is in the proper way. The sentence. Okay. Yeah. Sarah sew the ribbon in the nest. Yeah. Fifth one. Bird laid eggs 3 in the nest D. So the bird laid 3 eggs in the nest. That is in the proper way. I told it. Okay. Yeah. Then sixth one. Eggs the after hatched a few days. The eggs hatched after a few days. Okay. So up to this we have completed our term first. So all of you study well at home. All the best for you. Thank you.